Hello everyone and welcome back to Tammy's Yarn House. Today I'm going to show you how I do a magic knot. And you might wonder, there are many different knots out there. This knot is the strongest knot that I have used to date. It's not going to come undone. So when you're doing a project, you don't have to be fearful that knot, you don't have to double and triple, do it. This knot is almost like a FG fisherman's knot. But that, if you're a fisherman, you know what I'm talking about. That's a very strong knot. You're not going to lose your leader. And the same thing here. Your blanket's not going to come apart, or your project's not going to come undone because you're going to have this knot. Okay. So here we have our working yarn and our new yarn that we are wanting to put together. Okay. So this would be on our project, and this is our new that we want to bring in. All right. It's very, very simple. So you want to tie this around this just one time, okay? So just like you're beginning to tie your shoes. You see that? And we're going to tie it down. And it's okay. Do it real tight. It's okay. Not going to hurt anything. And the same thing here. Tie this one around this. Just like the beginning of you tying your shoes. Come on, get it through there. You see that? And it's okay. Get it nice and tight. Then what you do is you pull these two together. And you do it tight, and you can take your thumbnail, your fingernail, and make sure it's in there. And do not be afraid to cut this way close to the knot. Have your scissors up against the knot. That's okay. Let's cut the other one. Up against the knot. Right up against that knot. Now, you see, I'm putting a lot of tension on this. My yarn will break over here if I keep going, but I guarantee you it's not gonna come apart right here. And that is your magic knot. And it's pretty indistinguishable in your projects, and I use this all the time because it is one of the strongest knots out there. If you have a stronger knot, please put in the comments below. Let me know. I'd love to see it and try it. Okay? All right, y'all. Happy crocheting.